Did you know that 200 tons of Twizzlers are produced every single day? That's enough candy to stretch from the East Coast to the West Coast and back again. These twisted, chewy treats have been delighting candy lovers for nearly a century, but there's more to them than their fruity flavor and signature spiral shape. Today, we're taking you inside the high-tech factory where Twizzlers are made, revealing the advanced machines and precise steps that transform simple ingredients into the iconic twist we all know and love. Hit that like button and subscribe to Produce Planet, and let's get into the delicious world of Twizzlers. Twizzlers have come a long way since their debut in 1929. Originally produced by Young and Smiley, one of America's oldest confectionery companies founded in 1845, the candy became so popular that the company eventually rebranded as Y&S Candies. By 1977, Hershey had acquired the brand, expanding production and helping Twizzlers become a household name. Today, the candy is made at massive factories in Lancaster, Pennsylvania and Memphis, Tennessee, where the production process has been fine-tuned for maximum efficiency and consistency. It all begins with a few simple ingredients: corn syrup, wheat flour, sugar, and cornstarch. These form the base of the candy, giving it structure and chewiness. Depending on the flavor, a few additional ingredients are included: citric acid and red 40 for the classic strawberry variety, cocoa powder for the chocolate ones, and natural fruit concentrates for flavors like raspberry. These ingredients are chosen not only for the taste, but for their specific roles in achieving Twister signature texture, ensuring the candy is soft yet durable enough to hold its shape. The production process starts in massive industrial mixers, where these ingredients are blended into a thick dough-like consistency. These mixers, which resemble enormous metal barrels, are designed to process hundreds of pounds of candy base at a time. The speed, temperature, and duration of the mixing process are carefully controlled, with automated monitoring systems adjusting the process as needed to maintain consistency. If the dough is mixed too little, it won't hold the shape properly. If it's overmixed, it becomes too tough, making the final product unpleasantly chewy. Once the dough reaches the optimal consistency, it's heated to make it more pliable and ready for shaping. At this point, the dough is transferred to an advanced pre-extrusion heating system. This stage ensures that the mixture has the right level of elasticity before it enters the extrusion process. The heating is precisely controlled. Too much heat can cause the dough to dry out and crack. Too little makes it sticky and difficult to shape. Extrusion is where Twizzlers get their signature twisted form and is one of the most energy-intensive steps in the process. The warm dough is fed into a thin screw extruder, a machine designed to apply heat pressure and mechanical force to shape the candy. The extruder works by continuously kneading and compressing the dough as it moves forward through a barrel with an H-shaped cross-section. Unlike single-screw extruders used in the past, twin screws ensure a more uniform texture by continuously mixing and cooking the dough throughout the process. At the end of the extruder, the dough is forced through specially designed nozzles that twist it into its familiar spiral shape. These nozzles are a closely guarded trade secret, and their exact mechanics are known only to the engineers who develop them. But what is clear, they are precisely engineered to create a perfect uniform twist. Each standard Twizzler contains about 15 distinct twists, with approximately 2.5 curves per inch. As the candy emerges from the extruder, it's still warm and soft, meaning it needs to be cooled rapidly to maintain its structure. Conveyor belts carry the freshly formed ropes into an industrial cooling system, where high-powered air blowers circulate cool air evenly across the candy. The cooling process must be carefully controlled. If the candy cools too fast, it becomes brittle and can break. If it cools too slowly, it may lose its shape and become overly sticky. The balance is achieved through a series of sensors. They continuously monitor the temperature and adjust the cooling air accordingly. With the candy now firm, the next step is drying. The Twizzler ropes are carefully arranged on aluminum trays and transferred into massive drying tunnels, long climate-controlled chambers where the candy is left to rest for up to 10 hours. Inside these tunnels, controlled heat and humidity gradually remove excess moisture from the candy, helping to develop its signature chewiness. The drying process is essential because it ensures that the candy remains soft and flexible without becoming too sticky. If the moisture content is too high, the candy will clump together in the packaging. If too much moisture is removed, it will be dry and crumbly instead of chewy. After drying, the Twizzlers ropes are ready to be cut. The candy is fed through high-speed cutting machines that splice it into various lengths, depending on the product type. Standard Twizzlers are typically 8 inches long. Other variations, such as bite-sized nibs, require much smaller cuts. The cutting blades are kept razor sharp and constantly lubricated with water to prevent buildup. This ensures clean, precise cuts while preventing excess dough from sticking to the equipment. Once cut, the Twizzlers are removed to the packaging phase. Twizzlers come in a variety of formats, including individual packs, family-sized bags, and bulk boxes. While some specialty products are still packaged by hand, the majority of the packaging process is automated. High-speed robotic arms sort and weigh the candy before feeding it into packaging material. The packaging is then sealed airtight to maintain freshness. Sensors ensure that each bag is filled to the correct weight and that the sealing process is consistent. Any defective packages are automatically removed from the line. Throughout the entire production process, quality control is a top priority. Even before the ingredients are mixed, lab techs analyze each batch of raw materials to ensure they meet Hershey's strict standards. Factors such as viscosity, pH levels, and ingredient consistency are carefully tested. Once the candy is produced, additional tests are conducted at various points along the line. Automated cameras inspect the candy for inconsistencies in shape, color, and texture, while human taste testers sample batches to confirm they match the signature flavor profile. Even the packaging goes through rigorous testing. Spot checks are performed regularly to verify that the seals are tight and that the printed labels are accurate. This ensures that every bag of Twizzlers that reaches store shelves meets the company's high standards for quality and freshness. Twizzlers' popularity isn't just due to their taste, it's also about their convenience. Unlike many other candies, Twizzlers don't melt, making them an ideal snack for travel. This has made them a favorite at movie theaters, where they've been a concession stand staple since the 1930s. Today, Twizzlers remain the second most popular candy sold in theaters, right behind popcorn. That long shelf life and mess-free design make them a go-to choice for road trips, school lunches, and quick sugar cravings. Over the decades, Twizzlers have expanded beyond their original strawberry flavor. Today, they're available in a wide variety of flavors, including chocolate, raspberry, cherry, grape, and watermelon. The introduction of Pull and Peel Twizzlers in 1994 added a fun, interactive element to the brand, allowing candy lovers to tear apart individual strands before eating. Other variations such as twerps, straws, sweet and sour-filled twists, and bite-sized nips have also gained popularity, offering different textures and flavor experiences. As consumer preferences have evolved, Twizzlers has adapted to meet changing dietary needs. Many varieties, including strawberry Twizzlers and cherry Pull and Peel, are kosher certified and vegan-friendly, containing no gelatin or animal-derived ingredients. Hershey's has also introduced low-sugar and gluten-free versions, ensuring that more people can enjoy their favorite twisted treat. Today, Twizzlers are produced on an unprecedented scale. The factories in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and Memphis, Tennessee, operate around the clock to meet global demand. In 1999, Hershey relocated its manufacturing from Farmington, New Mexico to reduce transportation costs and improve efficiency. The Lancaster facility alone produces enough Twizzlers each year to stretch around the world 45 times, a testament to the candy's enduring popularity. With nearly a century of history behind them, Twizzlers continue to be one of the world's most beloved candies. Every bite is the result of a carefully engineered process designed to maintain quality, consistency, and the perfect balance of chewiness and flavor. Whether you're enjoying them at the movies, on a road trip, or as an everyday snack, you can be sure that a lot of precision, craftsmanship, and technology went into making every twist. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Twizzlers. From simple ingredients to those iconic twisted treats. The next time you unwrap a Twizzler at the movies or on a road trip, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into every twist. And if you love this tour, Be sure to subscribe to Produce Planet for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite treats are made.